clasps in the front and also a zipper. So guys, it's giveaway time. Stuff your pockets in and cuff it, okay? Cuff your butt.
Don't take it personal.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I give them fashion, style, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. But y'all really love that shapewear video. I'm gonna put it up in the iCards over here. So this is going to be a part 2 when I'm actually going to put it on to show you all how I actually wear it. But again, this is from Shapellx. I'm going to put the actual name of the product here on the side. I'm not really sure what this name is, but as you can see, I got the size medium. And in the video, one of my subscribers, she asked a good question, and her question was how to wear shapewear and make your butt look like it's real instead of having that little dip, you know, that people have to show that you can kind of see that it's shapewear. So I'm gonna put the shapewear on. That's gonna be part 1, and then I'm gonna put on jeans to show you how you can make your butt look big in jeans with shapewear. Okay, so again, this is what the shapewear looks like. I took off the straps. On the back, they have this big butt region. You can see in the middle, this is where you zip so you can go to the bathroom. It comes with clasps in the front and also a zipper. I'm in the size medium as we said. So I'm gonna pan y'all down a little bit. I hope this is not TMI because y'all, I don't have no time for these trolls in my videos, okay? So when I put this shapewear on, as you can tell, it has this rubber adhesive right here. So what I like to do is fold it back. My thighs are too big to be trying to struggle to get into shapewear. So you can either bunch it up like this or just fold it back. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm bunching it up. And I put it up over my leg like that, okay? And you make sure that it's folded this way so you can see the adhesive, okay? Does that make sense? Yeah, I can see that, okay? So I'm gonna do the same way to the other side. I'm gonna bunch it up like this, put my leg in it. And then this is where it gets interesting. You gotta hike it up, okay? We're doing this in real time, so I want y'all to see the struggle. So I'm making sure that I fold the side of the shapewear out and I'm hiking it up. Okay. You gotta dance to get in here. Okay. See? Okay. That actually did really well. Okay. So now, that's real good. Okay. So now that it's like this, I'm gonna roll the adhesive down and make sure that it's flat to my skin. That's how it doesn't roll up when you wear jeans over top of it. And make sure you get this back here. Make sure it's flat, okay? Do the same to this side. Get that underneath that thigh. Make sure it's flat. They don't tell you about this when you buy shapewear. They do not tell you, okay? So when I do my clasp, I bring the shapewear forward and I use my nail right here to clip it. Okay? Do it again. Clip it. Do it again. So it's like you're pulling the shapewear away from your body so you can clip it. Yeah, I have big boobs, so I can't even see most of the time. But that's how I see. Okay. So then you hike it up. Okay. So you hike this up. Typically I do this when I don't have my bra on, so I can pull it all the way up, but we're just gonna do like this for today. Okay? Let's see. I'm looking in the mirror so I can see. Okay, right. And then I zip it up. Okay, and we in there. Whew, yeah, we in there like swimming. I'm so hot. Okay, so now I'm about to go get my jeans, and then we can kind of go from there. I'm gonna go get my jeans. I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna see how to make our butt look big while wearing shapewear. Okay. So this is the jeans. These are just the regular Walmart jeans that I told you, the cheap jeans that I buy. It has some stretch, but it's not the best stretch. But what we're focusing on in this video is how to make our butt look good and not look like we're wearing shapewear. So the key to making your shapewear not show is to make sure it's flat. As you can see, we had already pulled the lace down, but I'm pulling it down again just to make sure, like, to secure it with my jeans. Okay, and I'm making sure not to ruffle this area. I want it to lay flat. I'm gonna do the same with this side. Okay, I pull it up, make sure that it's flat. Okay, so when Beyonce really said if you don't jump to put jeans on, that's a real thing. So you gotta hike your jeans up like this. And so here we go. Always tuck in your pockets. I don't know why cheap jeans, their pockets just be out of place, but they do. And I zip it up. So this is what my jeans look like now. As you can see, I have this gap right here in between my legs. It doesn't look flush towards my body. And let's look at our butt. As you can see, it looks like I have a big kind of cusp right here underneath my butt and also back here. So what I like to do when I put on jeans, I hike my jeans up, right? I hike them up and I like to cuff them. So that means whatever extra fabric I have, I cuff it underneath my butt. Y'all see that? And I do the same. You see how it's no cuff right here? It just looks like it's stretched. Like the fabric is stretched. So what I like to do is I yank up some fabric and I cuff it underneath my butt. Y'all see? So it makes it look like the jeans are not pulling. It actually looks like it's a part of your leg. And even on the side, it just looks like your butt fits in well. And also down here is not so much of a gap. It's really kind of smooth. So basically that's really my trick. I literally, if I'm about to take a picture or I'm getting up, I do this. I don't know what is this? What is this? Whatever this is called, and I cuff the fabric underneath my butt. Okay? So it doesn't look like it's pulling. It looks like it's pulling backwards. It doesn't look like it's pulling down. And yeah, that's the trick, honestly. That's basically the trick. You make sure, like, because a lot of times, even when you wear tights, if you don't pull your tights all the way up, they're like hanging here and it makes you look crazy. But with shapewear and also different fabrics, you have to make sure that it's shaped to your body. So pull them up, okay? Stuff your pockets in and cuff it, okay? Cuff your butt. That's it. That is it and that is all. That is it and that is all. Guys, that is it. I know I look so hot and I'm giving y'all 90s type of vibe with this hair, but I actually kind of like it. The curls are a little different, but let me see if I can tuck Tiana. I like tucking my hair. Okay, there we go. Now I can tuck it. Yeah, I just curled this hair, so I actually like how it looks like this. It's giving me very 2010 YouTuber type of vibes. I'm gonna show you how you curl your hair situation. But yeah, but I thank you all so much for watching this video. Please let me know. Let me fix myself before I get into it. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you like some more shapewear videos. Also, guys, it's giveaway time. Guys, we almost made it to 500 subscribers. Okay, 500 subscribers. I'm like a little bit shocked because y'all, I haven't been consistent on YouTube in forever, and I was like just doubting myself about even if I want to continue the channel. But I thank you so much for all the comments, the DMs, the questions, all of that really helps me and helps me serve you all. So I thank you so much. Make sure you share this video with somebody who needs to know how to wear the shapewear, honey. And make sure, you guys, I did something for y'all, okay? I got y'all a discount code. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay. Make sure you use this discount code Elise2020 at Shapellx.com. Get you the shapewear. Save you some coins for the holiday season. In the giveaway, let's do a drum roll. Hey, body, yaddy, yaddy. When we reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway of this shapewear that I have on. Y'all seem to love this shapewear, so make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and you will be entered in this giveaway. That means once I hit that 500, once we hit that 500, shawty, okay, giveaway time. So I want everybody to be eligible to get into this giveaway. I really actually love this shapewear. If you haven't seen like my reaction when I first got it out of the box, literally this is on a whole different level than your typical Target, Walmart, Macy's type of shapewear. And I'm so thankful that Shapellx gave me this opportunity to present this to you all. So make sure you enter this giveaway. You have to be subscribed to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and you will be automatically entered. And make sure you comment like done. Yeah, if you comment done on this video, then I can kind of like streamline everybody. But I thank you all so much for watching and just sticking with me on this journey of YouTube. Make sure you leave any other topics or ideas or videos you would like to see from me down in the comment section. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace, God bless, and hair grease. Because we doing hair grease now, shorty. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy.
I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.